Hello everyone, it's Geesje. Welcome back. Today I'm going to make an art journal page, similar like this one, and we don't need a whole lot of supplies. I have here a few different pieces of papers. I'll be using a thin piece of chipboard to glue this all onto, and I'm going to use a glue stick to do that. When I'm tearing things, I can tear it by hand, like so. Certain papers work real well by doing that, but if I have a piece like this is a plastic ruler from the dollar store. Then I nipped little pieces off with a plier, and that gives this irregular edge here. So when I want to tear, say, the edge off here, I always put the ruler on the smallest piece that has to be torn off, because I can put weight on here and I can tear here. And I will tear with the paper. And here I have a torn edge. Very easy. Now I'll let this dry. It is dry, and the next layer I want to soften it down a little bit, and I'm going to use either a coffee dyed paper napkin, makes it a little softer and you still can see the papers beneath through it, or I could use a piece of a sewing pattern, also gives a nice color to it, and today I'm going to use the paper napkin. I have here a watered down glue, it's about 50-50, and I will put glue on the whole thing. Could have used a glue stick. Don't mind a few wrinkles here and there. I'm going to smooth it out with a key card or an old credit card so that it's all adhered, and I will let this dry. Looking at this one, I'm going to put some paint or gesso in the center here to blot some of the text so that the leaves will stand out. I'm going to put some paint on a baby wipe and then I will rub it in. I picked these painty papers for the leaves, and here you can see that I've toned down the white a little bit with the paints, and I've selected these 3 paints, so I will be adding paint to this area here. I thought there was too much paint on here, so I'm toning it down with white again. This is how it looks now. Now I'm going to, there's this edge around it with black. And it's easier to do it now than to do it after. This is one of my papers. I drew sort of leaves on the back, one going this way, one going the other way. Now I'll layer the papers and cut them out. I know it's not exact, but that's okay. And I'll be cutting some more. I think I like the outline of my leaves, and I drew the first stem. And now I'm going to just lay down the leaves. And this is paper, so it's thin. So all the leaves are on. Outlining everything makes everything stand out a little bit more. Now I'm going to place my words. I found 3 words: search, discover, and enjoy. Again, I'll be outlining the words. So now it's finished, and I will be using this as the cover of my next project, and I will be making a video about it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know what you think of the new backdrop, and we'll hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.